Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So I am doing a break the base. What is this in here? Clairol 9A and 10 volume. I want the ammonia from the 9A and the 10 volume because I just want to blend. Look at, I just want to break that base up, that real dark, to make it like the other hair right there. And there's just a little warm in that, or not a ton. In 5 minutes, that's it. Super easy. Get ready. All right, guys, so we finished her break the base. So look at how nice. See how even that made everything? So it looked like I already did her hair, and her salt and pepper is great in there. See all that salt? But we really just blended that pepper. So much better. Now I'll put some highlights in there and she's good to go. Like even here, look at. See how it just blends? It looks so good, so much better. All right, that's a break the base, and stay tuned. All right, guys, so I want to show you what we did. We did a full head of highlights on her, okay, to really get the blonde in there. So I'm going to take this part out first, and she has a thick cuticle in her hair. So there we go. I like that color inside of a banana, right? I'm going to take that out, and I probably will tone it. Most of the time I don't tone hair, but because I don't want her hair super, super light, I want it a bright blonde, but I might have to go a little bit darker than that just to make sure that it doesn't damage the hair, because you still have to think of the, you know, the texture of that hair and how you want it, right? But she's super good at taking good care of her hair. She does Formula 18 masks. She does also the, I think it's called RM 18 or whatever, something 18. So she's super good at that, so that's why I could do that. So we're gonna see, you know, but I'm just taking one foil at a time, and I'll probably just take down some of them and really make it all nice, and then I'm gonna put her under a Glamazon just for some of the other parts. So stay tuned.